The fuses are right inside here. You get some extra ones, and if you buy them, they may be in the box or even attached to the lights right here. So these are just backup fuses. We try to rip these off and save them in the season. We have a whole bag of them. And a lot of people will have a hard time getting this off to replace those fuses. And what I like to do is actually use our wreath wire. It's pretty sturdy here. We use our wreath wire to hang all our greenery and stuff and for screws. So it's pretty handy to have this. But what we do is we actually take it right here and then we push it back like that. And then you go in there and you're like, well, how am I gonna get those out? I need tweezers or something to get them out. Well, this wreath wire you could put right in the back here of those fuses there, and you can actually pop them out. So if you look inside there, there is actually right there and right there where it needs to make contact. So there's really no which way you need to put these in. Let's just say we wanted to replace that, you drop it in, and then you can actually with your wreath wire just push it down and lock it in, just like that. Then when you push this slide back in and make sure it clicks, and then you can test your lights again to make sure if they're lit up. So that's how you replace a fuse in your mini lights. And a little